I'm gonna go ahead and start getting all this stuff apart to get this motor out of here. Got my engine hoist right there under the porch. I'm gonna drag that over here. And I got a 1/2-inch set of tools. So I'm gonna get a 3/8 and I got my ratchets over there. So that should be enough to get all this stuff out. I know I'm gonna need a fuel quick disconnect tool. That's in my toolbox. And then shoot, other than that, that should be it, man. Gonna snatch this bad boy out. Put the motor and trans in the corner. And shoot, all the trash and all the junk gonna go in the back. And we're gonna snatch this boy out of here. Hopefully within 2 to 3 hours. I'll take my time. I ain't no super duper rush, but I do want this thing out of here. Okay, about an hour of time, man. I'm pretty much ready. Man, if I wasn't in this shop, or like if I was in the junkyard, I would have just cut the frame, boom, boom, whole motor fail. But I still gotta have a way to move this thing out, so I can't do a junkyard style. I gotta climb in here and get the motor mount bolts, 3 of them, one on each side and one in the middle. So it's 6 bolts in the front, transmission mount bolt, exhaust bolts, and then back, man. As y'all can see, I lost my touch. Shoot, that thing got stuck. It's going back and forth, rocking it. I ain't take the intake off. I think that's what's stopping me. But I'd have broke the damn cherry picker. That's the first. So I gotta go replace that. And then when I come back, I'm gonna take the intake off. And then all hopes that we'll be able to roll this thing out. And it's out. Hey, I'm right back on schedule, man. So my whole plan was to bring the green dunk over here, pull the seats out of here, pull this motor out, and then that's it for this car. I'll be able to put this on a trailer tomorrow and junk it in the morning on my way to work. Then pull the dunk in, see the cream dunk, run it dry. So all I gotta do is open the door, back it in. But I'm gonna try my best to install partially the gauges. The trunk started. What's up, guys? 2 days later, man, we back. Like I say, this thing has overstayed its come. I didn't expect to have it in the garage this long, but today is finally leaving. So I got the passenger seat out with the 12-point. The front, man, they're pretty pain in the butt. 12-point 15 mil socket. The backs was pretty simple. I ended up taking more apart than I had to. But yeah, pretty simple. Front 15, 12-point in the back. I think I used like an E14. The E-sockets, the front is a big E-socket. I think it's like an E24 or something like that. But I just used a 12-point 15 and came up. There you go. Y'all connected, man. Let's get this bad boy out of here. All right, we got all this scrap. They gotta go with this truck. That's the trunk from the box Chevy that the tree fell on. And all the stuff that came off this car and some other parts I had laying around. For support and okay, that's pretty much it, man. I'm not keeping these seats here. I don't want to take the space. Drive shaft I can put on the side of the container. Don't need these. And they all be different anyway. So. PCM stuff. Exhaust manifold. It's all trash, man. Okay, that thing over there, y'all see it? They put it in the pile already. I just seen a dump across the street. I wonder what it's going for. Oh. That was a big speed. God damn. Caught me by surprise. It's a big operation, boy. Every time I come, I be like, dang.